Want to unlock the secrets to creating breathtaking AI art that goes beyond the ordinary? Today, we're diving into the powerful synergy between ChatGPT Plus and Midjourney, showing you how to use them together to craft visuals you never thought possible. First, fire up ChatGPT Plus. The key is using it to develop detailed and imaginative prompts. For Midjourney, think of ChatGPT as your brainstorming partner. Instead of just asking for a fantasy landscape, try something like, generate a prompt for a surreal fantasy landscape featuring bioluminescent flora, floating islands, and a colossal ancient tree, rendered in the style of a Studio Ghibli film with a warm color palette. The more specific, the better. Experiment with different prompt structures, adding elements like artist styles, lighting techniques, and emotional tones. Ask ChatGPT to iterate on prompts, refining them for maximum impact. Once you have a prompt you love, copy directly from ChatGPT. Now, head over to Midjourney and paste your meticulously crafted prompt into the prompt bar. Let Midjourney work its magic. Watch as your detailed prompt transforms into stunning visual creations. Notice how the nuanced prompt generated by ChatGPT leads to far more detail and compelling results than a simple one. By combining the creative power of ChatGPT Plus with the artistic capabilities of Midjourney, you can unlock a whole new level of AI art. Experiment, explore, and let your imagination run wild. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI art tutorials. Share your creations in the comments below. We can't wait to see what you come up with.